Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the Windows Configuration, Managing Sound Settings, where we discuss using Windows settings and Control Panel to configure sound settings, including microphones, speakers, and headphones. This includes control volume and mute control, modifying which sounds are played, and controlling privacy settings for the microphone. As always, stick around for the practice questions at the end to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the A+ exam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel for more tech training content and technical know-how. With Settings, System Sound, you can select the output device, select your input device, control the master volume including muting the volume, test your microphone, and run the troubleshoot tool. Under Advanced, you can click the volume mixer. You can adjust the master volume, and you can adjust volume for system sound and various applications that use sound. If you click the sound icon on the notification area on the taskbar, you can control the system volume. If you right-click the sound icon on the notification area on the taskbar, you can open Sound Settings, which is the same as Settings, System, and Sound. You can also open the volume mixer and troubleshoot sound problems. If you click More Sound Settings at the bottom of the System Sound page, you open the Control Panel Sound dialog box. The Sounds tab allows you to change the sounds for certain events, including system sounds for errors or exclamations, new mail notifications, and calendar reminder. You can also enable or disable the Windows Startup sound. To control your microphone with privacy settings, you would open Settings, Privacy Security, Microphone, which is under App Permissions. You can change if the microphone is available or not, allow apps to use your microphone, choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone, and choose which desktop apps can access your microphone. Today, many browsers have controls for sound. Therefore, when visiting a site, you may need to check if sound is enabled for the browser or the individual site. When troubleshooting, remember that speakers and headphones have controls, including a power or on-off button, volume controls, and other controls. If you're having problems with sound, make sure speakers or headphones are turned on. Make sure speakers or headphone is connected properly, including data and power. Make sure volume on computer and speaker or headphones is turned up and not muted. Check individual applications' volume and mute controls. Even browsers are considered applications that can have different volume controls, and even sites and/or tabs can have mute controls for some browsers. Make sure your audio card or adapter, speaker, and headphones are not disabled in Device Manager and under Settings, System Sound. And make sure there is no problems with the audio card or adapter, speakers, and headphones under Device Manager. If you're still having problems, if the sound device connects to a port on the motherboard, check the BIOS setup program to see that the port is enabled. You may need to determine if the speaker or headphones are faulty by swapping the device with a known good device and the cable connecting them and trying the suspected faulty device in another system. Since today's headphones and speakers may be wireless, you may need to troubleshoot your wireless connection, such as Bluetooth, to make sure the device is paired properly with your computer. Question: which of the following are input devices? Answer: microphones. Question: you're not hearing any sounds to let you know that a new email has come in. However, you do hear other sounds through your speakers. What should you do? Answer: make sure the sound is enabled for new email in the Sounds tab of the Control Panel Sound dialog box. Question: you just bought CompTIA, which is a video recording package, and you install software on your computer running Windows 11. However, you cannot hear anything through the microphone. You make sure the microphone is on and it has a green light. You also make sure the volume for the microphone is up in the Windows volume control and on the microphone. What else would you check? Answer: privacy and security settings. Question: you have a computer running Windows 11. You have a media player that you cannot hear the music when you play your favorite song. Where can you check for volume controls? Answer: speakers or headphones, Windows settings, sound master volume, the volume mixer, and the media player. Question: true or false? If you do not have sound coming from the media player to your speakers, you should check privacy settings in Windows settings. Answer: false. Privacy settings will be used with microphones or other input devices, not for speakers or output devices. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, with Settings System Sound, you can select your output device, select your input device, control the master volume, test your microphone, and run the troubleshoot tool. Sounds allows you to change the sounds for certain events, including system sounds for errors, new mail notifications, and calendar reminder. To control your microphone with privacy settings, you'd open Settings or Privacy and Security, Microphone. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be Configuring Windows, Part 6, Managing Power Settings. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Thank you.